Do you want an easy to follow way to lose weight without strict rules, counting calories, or eating small portions? Hi, everybody. I am Tammy Becker from Tammy Becker Coaching, and I help people of all ages in all levels of fitness reach their ultimate goal in their life for health and nutrition, whatever that may be, and whatever level that you may be at, to either maintain, lose weight, get more movement back into your life, learn to eat healthy and nutritious meals. Please make sure and sign up, subscribe on my channel, and hit the bell so that you can keep up to date with all of the news, all of my freebies, and all of my tips and advice that I'll be promoting. This is what we're going to be talking about in the next 4 or 5 episodes. I'm going to be talking about the 2B Mindset Nutritional Program that is taking everybody by craze. It is a wonderful program. I went through the coach test group with it, and I am going to break it down step by step into over the next several weeks, next several videos. So today we're going to talk about the very 4 principles that the 2B Mindset is built around, which is water first, veggies most, the scale, and tracking. The More Sure model is what she uses, which talks about the water first is what you want to do. What you're going to be doing first is always drinking water before each and every meal. You're going to eat veggies most, then your protein, then your carbs, and then if you want more, you're going to start all over again. So basically, that is the principle and the model that the 2B Mindset is built around, and that we'll be getting into details over the next few weeks. The other principle is plate it. It's instead of counting calories or using containers, you're basically plating your meal in the right proportions for the right meal during the day. For example, breakfast will have that plate proportion differently than dinner will. Same with lunch and same with your snack. So basically, you're going to get everything that you need in a day, but you're just going to plate it. You're not going to count calories, and you're not going to count containers, but you're going to learn to plate it to where every single day that you can lose weight. The next thing that we're going to that they learn in the model is tracking. You use the tracker. There's a 2B Mindset tracker, and by taking everything into consideration of your day and writing it in your journal and tracker, even if it is a tablespoon of butter that you put on toast, you're going to be tracking everything, and this is going to keep you accountable for your weight loss to show you if you're gaining or losing and why. And the last part of the program focuses on the scale, and that becomes your friend, that they teach you that the scale is not an enemy. It's actually your friend if you learn how to use it correctly. And in this program, we will go over that in depth, and you will learn to use it correctly. So I just want to remind you that over the next few weeks, we are going to be diving into all of those principles in a little more detail, taking one and breaking it down a little bit more for you. They'll be released on Tuesdays. So I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. If you have a comment for me or a question, please make sure and leave that in the comments below. And also always check my descriptions, because again, sometimes I put links in there for you to sign up for freebies directly to your inbox. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you next week on the next episode, breaking and reviewing the 2B Mindset Nutritional Program. This is Tammy Becker from Tammy Becker Coaching. See you next time. God bless.